In this video, I'm going to show you how to add video in Webflow. So firstly, open up Webflow and log into your Webflow account. And once you're on your Webflow account here, simply select the website that you want to add video to. So for example, I've got this website here. So here, what I'm going to do in order to add a video, click on the add element option here. So click on the add element option, which is on your top left here. From here, scroll down till you see the media option. So when you see the media option, you will see there is a video option here. Okay, so you can click on the video option. Click on the video option and then this will pop up a video box here. So here, what you can do, you can either like plug in the URL of the video. So if your video is online, published online, you can simply paste the URL of the video, give a title for that video, okay, or else alternatively, if you have the video saved on your machine, you can just click and drag it here. Okay, once that's done, you can just complete the process, and this will like add the video to your Webflow page. So there you go. You have now added this video. So it's just for demo. I've added this to this site here. So this is how you add video on Webflow.